In southwestern Ohio, in beautiful Preble County, is the Village of Lewisburg, Ohio. Founded in 1818 by Henry Horn, it is positioned along U.S. Route 40, the national road. With a population just under 2,000, it is quintessential small-town America. The downtown area of Lewisburg is filled with shops and the feel of times gone by. Preservation of historic buildings is laudable, as is the sense of respect for the past and those who contributed and continue to contribute to Lewisburg's livability. The sense of respect is typified by the active Lewisburg Historical Society. Born of a desire to preserve the historic train depot, in 1992, 14 volunteer community members established the Lewisburg Historical Society. Their work continues with a commitment to preserving the knowledge, physical reminders, and manifestations of the past. Ongoing projects and endeavors are funded through donations and fundraisers, a true grassroots organization. A good example is the acquisition of the H.E. Singer blacksmith shop in 2015. It remains an active shop filled with historic blacksmithing equipment and currently open one Saturday a month to the public. If these images and this story have piqued your interest, then come and explore and discover Lewisburg and its unique past and how it influences its present and future. And to paraphrase Tom Bodett, we'll keep the forge on for you.